Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply your brand new iPad skin from Fomo Store. It's super easy, just follow along and take your time. Let's start with the back panel. Carefully peel the vinyl off the release paper and gently line it up on the back of your iPad. Once it's in place, use your fingers to press it down smoothly. If you see any bubbles, don't worry, just grab the squeegee and push them out. Nice and easy. Next up is the camera skin. Align it carefully over the camera cutout and press it down with your finger. That's it. Now let's move to the top bar. Line it up with the power button and the speaker cutouts, just like you see in the video. Once it look aligned, gently press it down. Moving on the volume button area, line up the skin along the buttons and press it down softly. If it is not quite right the first time, no stress. You can peel it back and try again. Just go slow and be careful not to stretch the vinyl. Now the bottom section, this one's just like the top. Line it up with the charging port and speaker holes. Then press it down with your thumb or finger. And finally we got the side piece. Line it up with the mic cutout and press it down gently. And there you go. The skin is now fully applied and looking super clean on your iPad. You're officially given your device a fresh new look. Thanks for shopping with Fomo Store, and as always, stay FOMO.